Creating content is the best way to make money online right now. Lately, these motivational shorts on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube are going viral and getting tens of millions of views while making a lot of money. I'm going to show you how to actually create high-quality motivational shorts so you can start making money now. So let's get started. First of all, we need a script. To do that, the best way is to watch what the competitors are doing and take inspiration from there. Go to TikTok or Instagram and search for motivational shorts and look for viral clips. Let's take this account for example. It has gained over 3 million followers in 5 months. Scroll through the videos and see what performed best. For example, this video talks about Ronaldo. Maybe you can make similar video about some other famous athlete. So, do not just copy their video, but take inspiration and put your own twist to the video. Other way is to Google for business quotes or successful business stories to get inspiration that way. So, after going through the methods, I found an idea to create a video about successful businessman who started their business very late in their life. For example, KFC founder Colonel Harlan Sanders. As I found an idea, now go to ChatGPT and use it to write the script. Ask ChatGPT to write a motivational quote for starting business late in life. Now this seems quite good. We will use only this part here. And now, ask ChatGPT to write a short story of KFC founder. If the story comes out bad, let ChatGPT make it more clear and better. You can use similar prompts as I use. Now this version is quite good. Also, you can modify it a bit to make it more natural. As this is done, next step is to make a voiceover. We are going to use 11 Labs for it. If you don't have a user here, make one. The link is in the description. Once you are registered, you can choose a voice from the voice library. Search for deep voice and choose the one you want. I will use this one. This sounds quite good. Now go to speech and copy the text here and generate the voiceover. Now next step is to edit the video. For that, we are going to use CapCut. Just Google it and download it. It's a free editing program. Once you have downloaded the program, then create a new project and import the voiceover here and put it on the time frame. Now we need images and pictures for that. I am going to show you the methods I use to find content. One way is to use movie scenes. For example, the first part says this:
Age is just a number. Your dreams are timeless.
We need to find a movie scene that shows an old man. Just go to YouTube and start searching for old man business movie scene, old man movie scene, and so on until you find something suitable. This, for example, is a good scene for this. Now copy the link and use a MP4 downloader and download the clip. So, next option is to use copyright-free videos and images. For that, use Pixabay or Pexels. Search for old man and you can choose pictures or videos. As you can see, here are a lot of options to use. And lastly, you can also use Instagram to find good quality content, or you can always use Google Images. Now import the content here and cut it to the right length and choose 9:16 ratio. Adjust the clip to the right size for the ratio. Now use each clip around 2 to 5 seconds. So let me search all the clips and I will be back. This is what it looks when all clips are imported and adjusted. Also, cut the clips before a new sentence starts, like this, so the transitions will look smoother. So now next step is to choose which color you like the video to be. I am going to make it orange teal. So go Google and search for sand overlays. Choose this one, download it, and import this to CapCut. Place it on the timeline and scale it up. Click on the photo and choose screen blend mode and turn the opacity down around 10%. Next up, we need particles. Go to YouTube and search for particles overlay. Choose the one you want. I'm going to pick this one. Download this with MP4 downloader and import this to CapCut. Drag it to the timeline and choose screen blend mode. And now duplicate the layer until full clip is covered. Next, go to effects and search for vignette and drag it on the timeline. Make it full length and turn the opacity down a bit. Now go to filters and search for warm and drag it to the timeline. Make it full length and turn the intensity down around 70. Now we need to add transitions between the clips. Try to use softer transitions that fit the scene. For example, this one called Black Fade is a good one. Drag it between the clips and make the transition a bit longer. You don't need to use transitions on every clip. Now, if you also use pictures in the video, we need to make it interactive. To do that, select the picture and under the basic, set the position to around 400 and create a keyframe. Now move forward on the clip and now put in -120. And now the picture should be moving. You can play around with the settings depending on your picture size and scale. And the last step is to add captions on the video. Go to text and auto captions. Make sure the language is English and press generate. Here you can choose the font you like. I personally use Montserrat font. Now scroll down and center the text. Now press captions and go through the captions. And where the text is too long, cut them in half. To do that, just press enter. Also, when there is a clip, adjust the captions to change when the cut happens, like this. And if you want, you can highlight some parts of the text. Now just go through the whole captions and adjust it. And if you want, you can add additional effects, transitions, or overlays to your clips. And basically, that's it. Now if you want to add music, just go and see what sounds other viral motivational videos use and use the same. Now I recommend uploading the videos to every platform, to TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram for building a motivational brand. Here is a snippet of the final result.
Age is just a number. Your dreams are timeless. At 65, Colonel Harlan Sanders founded the famous KFC fast food chain. He had to close his restaurant in Corbin, Kentucky, because a new highway took away his customers.
And that's it, guys. Subscribe for more valuable content and keep grinding.